I will also show you how to create GL account into SAP Fiori, which is new user interface. So I will go to SAP Fiori and look for the app to create GL account centrally. So I have got this app called Manage GL Account Master Data. So I will click on it and it says Manage GL Account Master Data. So I don't want to manage, but I want to create a new GL account. So I will click on this plus icon and the screen will be changed into new GL account master data. So suppose I want to create a new GL account for water expenses. So I will enter the GL account as we used to do into the transaction code FS00. So 416104. Make sure that it's not already created, this number. And go to the chart of accounts. My chart of account is INT. Okay, account type is it is primary costs or revenue. And then I will choose the account group, which is PL or P&L statement accounts. Next, P&L statement account type, I will just enter X, which is, you know, any any description or relevant description as per your requirement. Short text, let's say I will say water expenses. Scroll down and this was the general entry. Now we have to create company code data as well. As you already know that there are two types of segments into GL master data. One is chart of account segment and the second is company code segment. So here we have to create company code segment. And now we have got third segment as well, that is controlling data, which was not into SAP ECC. So in order to create company code data, click on this plus sign or symbol and enter the company code. So my company code is AZ01. Account currency should automatically be popped up, and text category, if you remember, we entered only input text allowed, which was the symbol with minus sign, and sort key, again, if you want to enter 008, which is cost center. Field status group, so we entered G004. And that's it. Change history, I will just explain to you what is that. Actually, if you will change this master data or add any new value, so the change history can track it for you, that who has made this change, what change, and what was the new value, is the what was the old value, what is the new value now. So that is about change history. Click OK, and then you will be back to the initial screen. And now you have the third segment, which is controlling data. So here you have to enter the cost element category. So cost element category is 1. Okay, and then if you are satisfied with your data entry, you can click on save and you will have the pop-up message account has been saved successfully. You can also see this account by going back into the SAP Easy Access screen, and if you will just enter the transaction code again and go under P&L statement accounts, and you can see here 410610 as our water expenses account, which we have just created through SAP Fiori.